to share this fun little experiment that I did. These are pretty cheap. Can't remember where I got them. They were on clearance somewhere after Christmas, I think. But they are too new for me. So I've experimented with some other ways for how to rust quickly. And the best way to get rust within about 24 hours, which is to use this. I've used other toilet bowl cleaners because I've heard this technique works, but the only one that really works is the lime white. And if you've ever accidentally used if you're dumb and use this on your nice faucets and stuff, it will remove your varnish, nice varnish, and you'll have an ugly faucet. So don't ever use it on any metals, only porcelain. But if you want to rust your metal, these cheap little metal bells, I'm going to do this whole batch this time. I will show you how beautiful it turns out. Look at that. Beautiful finish. And it's going to be perfect on this project. Look at the beautiful patina that has on it now. Love it. That'll be great for the Christmas decoration.